buddy. Woo! What a beautiful morning. The sun is just coming up, and I'm on a permission search. Now, folks, I was here 7 years ago. This is the property with Sheriff Monroe Brannon, who was sheriff for 16 years in Polk County. This is where he did his ranching. This is his property. His family has allowed me to come out once again and metal detect. So 7 years I was here 7 years ago, and I did pretty good. There's some of the photographs of the items that I found. And at that time, I was using my White's VX3. So this morning, I've got the Equinox 800, and we're gonna work this property once again and see what I can find. And wish me luck. It's nice and cold. It's gonna be a great day. I'll be out here probably 3 or 4 hours. And with the Equinox, I'm sure I'm gonna find something that I missed. So here we go. I'll see you on the first dig. There's a lot up under here. I'm getting a hit right here. It's like a 31. I see a bottle top. Let's try right in here. I'm gonna take this camera off. Get on my belly. All right, folks, I've already got well, I lost it. Well, I just found this old fuse, a nail. I've just lost the nail. I had another nail somewhere. And then I had a quarter. I'm pretty sure it was a quarter right here. Yeah. That's oh, that's silver. That looks like it just come out of the package. 1964. Just dropped the nail again. Goodness great. There's nails everywhere. I just got a silver quarter and an old fuse right here, and another nail that I lost. God, I don't know how far I'm gonna get, and it's cold as all get out. All right, let's feel it. Oh yeah, a nail. All right, there it is. Got a feeling there's gonna be a lot of these too. Old cap. Here's a penny. See, it's like sugar sand. Very hard to... Oh, there's another penny. Let's see what it is. It's a wee penny. It's green. Can't see the ear. We'll get it in a minute. Oh, there it is. I can see it right on the top. It's another wheat penny. Looks like I've got it. There's crap everywhere. You just gotta listen for that solid signal. Right there sounds like a good penny coin. Oh, it's a dime. Oh, it's a it's silver too. What year it's gotta be? It's just an old porch. Crap falling through it right and left. That's twice I hit my head, and when you're as big as I am, you're gonna hit your noggin on that porch, and it's gonna hurt. Look at that right in front of me. I don't even have to dig for it. It's another wheat penny. Golly, that hurt. I can laugh now, but that almost knocked my butt out, and then I sucked in all that dust and dirt and crap up under that porch. I about choked, I'm telling you, all over some coins. All this just up under this corner of the porch. But look at the gaps in the halls. It's no wonder. I'm gonna come back and I'll spend more time into the porch, but I'm gonna work the rest of this property right now because it's wearing me out down there. Gotta be honest with you, that's tough work. That crap all over me.
Don't forget, at the end of the video, another police story from the COPTECH Vault.
Getting a 19, then it jumps up to a 21. And that was a penny. Yeah, that's a quarter. See what we got. What do we got? Oh, it's in my hand. It's a penny, I think. Yep. Memorial. Nice. It's a big penny. Big Lincoln. I'll take it. Let's see it. It's a quarter. Work it slow. There it is. Looks like a quarter. Right there. I'll do it nice and slow. There you go, folks. 26, 30. Let's go down and take a look, see what it is. Hope it's some more silver. It's a penny or something. Yep, nope, it's a button. It's an old button. See if I can see it. Hey, look at there. Old flat button. Coolness. Love it. It's gotta be right. There's something right there. That's it. That's it for sure. What the heck? Hear them cow? It's a knife, I think. Yep. Oh man. Yep, that's an old pocket knife. I'll wash it up. I think your Monroe could have dropped that thing, man. That is so cool. Pocket knife by the tree. Sweet. I think it's a coin. Jumping too much. Let's check it out. It's not a coin. It's a round. We know Monroe used to love to shoot. Look at there. Winchester 30-30. Winchester 30-30. I'm having such a hard time finding this. I got a nail. This is not a nail. It's just like sugar sand. There it is. With a nail. There's a nail with it. God dang, I don't want to lose this thing. There we go. Look at this. All kind of stuff under here. Goodness. $26. Going down for the kill. Big mistake. Should have brought the tripod. It's so hard to do with what. Oh, I see it right there on the top. It's too dark. It's a dime. Holy crap. You gotta be a tunnel rat to do this. 7. We got largeness in the hole. Look at that. Got no idea. Looks like something. Oh, that's a. That goes on a sink. Down in the sink. Woo, these are hard to find. There it is. It's a penny. It's a wee penny. 1951. 1951 weedy. Yeah. Nope. There you go. It's a quarter. 3 targets so far in the same hole. Listen to that tone. And I see what it is. I'm not 100% sure, but I see something appears to be brass. And I've got a real good guess just looking at that right now. And we'll give you a second, let you guess. All right, seconds up. Enough time. I think it's a vintage water hose end for a sprayer. Yeah, it's different. I've never seen one like this. Man, that is nice. Dang, good. I wonder if it looks like it's missing the piece that goes on right here, the turn it. 2 signals is all. Oh, I see a dime right there. You see it? That's another one. Look, there's a dime. Folks, I bet you that's silver. It's shiny all day long. Yep. $1946. Sweet.
With 3 wheat pennies and 3 silver coins, it's time for the Dancing Alien.
Another penny. Stinking Lincoln. Oh, there it is. It's a wheat penny. I can't see the year. Another wheatie. Got something else? Ooh, kind of cool. The property owner just come up to me and said that he had lost the nozzle to a sprayer. And he asked if I could find it, and he lost it directly near that shed. There it is, baby. It took me about 5 minutes to find it. I'm gonna go give it to him right now. Ask and you shall receive. Look at that.
You found it.
Yeah, baby.
Where
Took me
was
about
it?
5 minutes.
Right in front of the building.
Yep.
There it is.
There you
right
go,
there. I'm
brother.
gonna show that to my grandbaby.
All right, man. So I wanted to try up into this porch again. And I'll be danged, I didn't get a signal. Rake this out, and there it is right there. It's a dime. A silver dime, just like it was dropped yesterday. 19, I can't tell. 62, I believe. Ugh. 62. Man, I love how those things continue to shine. It's a wrap, folks, and thanks for following me on YouTube. So let's take a look at what I found today. Had a great time. The weather was beautiful. It couldn't have been better, and some really interesting items today. So let's take a look at it. Before we take a look at what I found today, let's look at what I found 7 years ago. Now, then I was using the White's VX3. And yeah, right there, I found a lot of cool things, some change, typical assorted trash, and that was a good hunt. So on the return today, this is what I found. Yeah, some cool items. So typical rusty nails all over the place too, some screws. You know what, this is why you should wear gloves. And I actually had my gloves on this morning, and I took them off because it just was irritating me up under that house with all that sugar sand. But normally I wear gloves. I suggest that you should too, because this is what you're going to get the signal on, and if you're digging it out, you're going to slice your finger open. A lot of junk trash as usual. And we got a I'm not sure what kind of knife it is, a pocket knife, and got some 5 wheat pennies. I haven't looked at I did go over the dates briefly, but I'll put them in the video. I've got 4 silver, and I think one of them was 19, there's a 1952, 1946, 64, 65, I think. Hard to see. And look at the difference between silver and a clad quarter. That's always amazing. You always know when you find silver, man. It is so shiny. I mean, it's just like it dropped right into the ground that day. Some quarters, pennies, and other assorted items. I love finding these. These are old fuses, if you didn't know. Some of the younger generation will have no idea, but if you're my age, you will. Old sprinkler hose end. This they make out of plastic anymore. This was a stopper for a sink, buried deep in the ground. And then this was kind of cool, folks. This was a solid brass button. I like it. I have no idea. You know, I find these, I think I found 3 or 4 of these. This was just right out in the middle of the yard. I have no idea. It's brass. I don't know. I find this often and just I have no idea what they are. And junk. Oh yeah, we got a 30-30. I'm sorry, 30-30 shell casing and the old caps. Yeah, back from my day. I mean, I remember using these very well. My father had a Coke machine on his mobile home lot. So that's it, folks. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's hunt, and again, thanks for following Double G. Now, if you already haven't, hit that little bell so that you can get notifications when I upload a video. And stay tuned now for the COPTECH Vault. A really cool story coming at you right now.
You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by.
Folks, the story today from the COPTECH Vault. Since I'm out here on the property where Monroe Brandon once used to work with the cows, and he was a real live cowboy, not only just a sheriff, but a cowboy. And this is his property that the family has allowed me to come out and metal detect on. You know, Monroe was involved in a shooting when he worked at the Lakeland Police Department. That's where I retired after 32 years. He was shot with his shotgun in the face, and he lost his eye. You know, one time I was in a shooting. I got divorced on a Monday, and a Friday of that same week, I was involved in a shooting. That's right. He shot at me twice and missed, and I shot back and didn't miss. But the most important thing is I went home that evening, and that has stayed with me for life, being involved in that shooting. So I tell you this from the COPTECH Vault. The next time you see a police officer, just go up, shake his hand, say hello. You never know what they have experienced. They will experience more in a week than what most people see in a lifetime. Traumatic events and different things that have happened to them in their career. That's the story from the COPTECH Vault, and thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you on the next dig.